Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 3 of the weekly check-in and those dates are going to include the 16th through the 22nd. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing this week. And be sure to hit that notification because every time I upload, which I upload a ton of times, then you will be notified so you won't miss any videos like this or any of my giveaways that I do. So be on the lookout for that. A lot of people have been asking what kind of binder or planner that I use. So I use the Erin Condren, the 7.9 Deluxe planner, and the link will be down below. I'm pretty sure that if you order your first time ordering a planner or anything using my link, you will get $10 off of your first purchase, and then I will get $10, or I think it's like $500 points or something like that, to go towards me giving you more like content of the planner or buying pins or stickers or anything like that. And then today we are using the Pentel, if I can get it focused, but I can't. It's the Pentel Click and Go pen, and I got this on Amazon, but I will link that down below also. And if you're new, I am affiliated with Amazon. I do not want to put that in the dark or keep y'all out of the loop about that, because I just want to let y'all know what I get all of my stuff from. And the camera is literally dark and I have no idea, so I'm gonna let it just go up a little bit. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna do our no spins like we always do first. So we have 4 no spins this week. So that is the 16th, the 18th, the 20th, or the 19th, and the 20th. Now, I'm just going to say, I would have had less no spins, but I was on call and I was working on both of these days, so I did not go anywhere. So that's always a good thing, I guess. Blessed to work on the weekends, even though I hate working on the weekends, you guys. All right, so moving on. See, that is just not working for me, you guys. The light is just not working. All right, so on the 17th, we did our gas and our groceries. So grocery was $25. We're just gonna place that right there. And then gas is actually a little high. I usually spend like $10, $15, or $20. It's actually $34. And the reason why is because I did get gas, but I also bought drinks. I bought Jared some drinks and snacks and everything, so while we were on the road. So that's what I did. So that's why it is so high. All right, so a recap. 16th was no spin, Walmart, and gas. So it's $25 and $34, and then a no spin. Moving on to the 21st, I bought stuff on Amazon, and then I went to Target because I needed to buy some things also for that. So we spent $30 with my cushion money. So I actually made a mistake, and we're going to have to fix that. So I actually said 20, but it's actually 30. So $30 for Target and for Amazon. And then on the 22nd, we went to Walmart, and I spent $34 with my debit card. So if you don't know, my debit card is also my cushion. So I spent $34, and I needed some packing stuff because I actually been spending or selling some stuff off of eBay. So I've been buying the packages and printing out the labels and everything. So that costs money. So I spent $34 on that. And then I had lunch because I was out and about and, dropping off the postage. So I went to Chicken Salad Chick. If you don't know what that is essentially, that's all they sell is chicken salad stuff. And it's so good, you guys. So I used $9 of my fun money. And then last but not least, I did go to Walmart again. And let me just tell you guys, if you have not been to Walmart in a while, so Christmas items or Christmas for me is to like stock up on toys and everything for my nieces and nephews and like my best friend's kids or anything like that. So twice a year on January and July, their toys are always going to be on clearance. So they start at 30% to like 75% off is when they max out on the discount. They always discount toys only because they are bringing in new toys for the fall and everything else. So you want to go to your local Walmart or your local Target, because Target's doing it also. And you want to go and check out the toy deal and stock up on toys for Christmas, birthdays, any special occasions, anything like that. So I got a little puppy dog, and it is from, I think, VTech or Leapfrog. I can't remember, but I believe it's Leapfrog. But it is a little dog and has like it has, you know, the paws and everything, and each paw you can either, like, it sings, it like counts numbers with you, it can remember your name, like it teaches you a lot of stuff. So my goal for this year is for all of my nieces and nephews to have something that's more educational rather than just like a toy that they're going to play for a few months and everything and get rid of. I want them to be more educated and everything. So that is a good way for me, and that is my plan for Christmas, is to get more educational stuff for my nieces and nephews. All right, so just to recap before we flip over. So we have a no spin, Walmart and gas for $25 and $34. No spin on the 18th, 19th, and the 20th. Target and Amazon was $30 for the cushion. Walmart was $34 for packing items. Lunch was $9, and then Christmas was $11. And that is it, you guys. So we are going to flip on over to our weekly check-in layout, and we are going to fill it out. All right, so Walmart, we spent $25. Gas was $34. Fun money was $9. Cushion was $30 plus $34 makes it $64. And then sinking funds was $11. So let's get our calculators and just get to subtracting. So 60 minus 25 equals $35 remaining in groceries. Gas is 50 minus 34 will equals to $16. Fun money is 17 minus $9 will equals to $8. Or fun money, yes. And then cushion was $93 minus $64 will equals to $29. And then sinking funds is $1,605 minus $11 from Christmas equals to $1,594. So that is extremely well. We did a really good job this week, you guys. I'm very proud of ourselves. All right, so as always, before we end our video, we are just going to check if these numbers match our cash envelopes. And when I mean these numbers, I meant the groceries, the gas, and the fun money, because a cushion is on my debit card and I will have to go on the internet and everything for that. And then sinking funds, there's a lot of sinking funds, so we're not going to do that, you guys. All right, groceries, we should have $35, so that's 10, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Let's see, let's put it on this side. All right, gas should be $16, so that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that's $16. And then fun money should be $8. Or nope, just kidding, it should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $4 actually. So I must have did something wrong. So it's $4. So it's 17 minus $9. Okay, so it's $4. My bad. I have to check my calculations. So that's really embarrassing, but anyway, so that is it. We had a mishap, but you know, everything happens for a reason, and that's what I live by. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day, and be sure to go and subscribe down below. And if you have not checked out the new 52-week challenge, you have to watch it, and watch it all the way to the end, because there is a special announcement. So make sure you go and watch this video and watch the other video, and just comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know how you are doing this week. And I will see you guys on Saturday for a sinking fund video, which is going to be really fun because it is payday. So we're going to be stuffing our sinking funds in our cash envelopes again, and all of this money is going to go towards our sinking funds. So be sure to look out for that on Saturday at 8:30 a.m. CST, and I will see you guys later. Bye.